मैं आप लोगों के लिए द कुकी लेडी की समरी लेकर आई हूँ, जिससे कि आप लोगों को अपने बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में रिवीजन के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल हो। मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में ये रिवीजन लेकर आऊँगी, सो दैट कि आप लोग इंग्लिश में भी इसको एक बार देख सकते हैं और एक बार चाहें तो हिंदी में भी इसकी समरी को पढ़ सकते हैं। मैं ज़्यादा लंबा वीडियो को नहीं करूँगी, स्टोरी को मैं फटाफट स्टार्ट करती हूँ। The cookie lady tells the story of a young boy named Bubber Surley and his visits to an old woman, Mrs. Drew, who possesses a strange ability related to youth. The story begins with Bubber heading to Mrs. Drew's house, ignoring his friend Ernie's teasing questions about his lady friend. The house is shabby and overgrown with dry weeds, but Bubber is drawn by the wonderful smell of warm cookies. Mrs. Drew, a very old lady, welcomes him in. She has just baked fresh cookies, which Bubber greedily eats with cold milk. After he finishes, Mrs. Drew asks him to stay and talk, and to read from his school books because her eyesight is poor. Bubber agrees, but only after confirming he can have the rest of the cookies. As Bubba reads from his geography book, Mrs. Drew watches him intently. She has been alone for a long time and treasures his visits, which have been happening for over a month. While she listens and dozes, something miraculous begins to happen to her. Her wrinkles fade, her body fills out, her grey hair thickens and darkens, and she grows younger, eventually becoming a dark haired woman of about 30. She feels a warmth and fullness she hasn't felt in years. This transformation occurs almost every time Bubba visits, especially since she moved her chair closer to him. However, as soon as Bubba stops reading and announces he has to leave, collecting the remaining cookies, the warmth leaves Mrs. Drew. She immediately feels tired and dry, and when she looks in the mirror, her old, withered self stares back. She whispers for him to come back, and Bubba listlessly agrees before leaving. Upon arriving home, Bubba is met by his angry parents, May and Ralph Surley. They notice he is worn out and washed out after visiting Mrs. Drew. His father strictly forbids him from going back, saying there's something strange about that old lady and that Bubba comes home too tired. May eventually allows him one last visit to politely tell Mrs. Drew he cannot return. On Wednesday, Bubba makes his final visit. Mrs. Drew is overjoyed, feeling so young again just by his presence. She bakes fresh cookies. Bubba notices the chair and lamp have been moved closer to the couch. When he tells her this is his last visit, Mrs. Drew stands rigid, terrified. She begs him to read. As he reads, she desperately reaches out and touches his arm, feeling his youngness flowing into her. This time, the transformation is complete and appears permanent. She becomes full young, her skin firm, hair black, and body vibrant. She laughs with excitement, feeling full of life. Meanwhile, Bubba fills his mouth and pockets with cookies. As he leaves, Mrs. Drew, now young, smiles and says goodbye, confident that she is young again and it will not go away. Bubba, however, trudges home slowly, his face fat and dull, a dead white. This wind is cold and pushes against him. He feels incredibly tired, his head aches, and his heart labors. He continues to feel weary and worn out. His parents wait anxiously for him, concerned by the howling wind. Finally, Ralph opens the door when they hear a tapping sound. Something grey and dry, like a bundle of weeds and rags, blows against his legs and drifts past him. Carried by the wind, Ralph dismisses it as just the wind. The implication is that Mrs. Drew has completely drained Bubba of his youth, leaving only a lifeless shell.